Civilizations have been using flaxseed since humankind's early beginnings. Flaxseed was one of the first crops ever cultivated and was used in Eastern medicine to improve the skin's elasticity and moisture levels. Just 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil contains more than 7 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, making it one of the richest sources of the plant-based omega-3. When you're not creating nutritious meals with it, consider using flaxseed oil as a natural skincare remedy. Here are flaxseed's benefits for skin. 1. Flaxseed may smooth wrinkles. Skin is made of protein and requires protein to restore its health. The omega-3 protein found in flaxseed oil may reduce the appearance of wrinkles by helping to repair skin cells. In a small study, women who used flaxseed oil saw a decrease in their skin sensitivity to irritation and roughness and reported an increase in smoothness and hydration. To apply to your skin, you can rub 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil on a clean face in the morning and before bed. You can use an oil or break open 1 flaxseed oil supplement capsule and rub the oil onto the skin. Just apply it to a small patch of skin first to make sure it's not irritating or pore clogging. 2. Flaxseed oil can soothe dry skin. The essential fatty acids found in flax seeds help keep your skin hydrated and smooth in appearance. Flax seeds increase your body's natural oil production. The fatty acids are necessary for keeping your skin soft. Using flaxseed topically or taking it orally can both protect and moisturize your skin. It protects your skin in 3 ways. 1. Flaxseed oil acts as a protective barrier, keeping irritants from entering your pores. 2. Flaxseed oil can help lock water into your skin. 3. Flaxseed oil can help prevent water loss through the skin, which can help minimize the appearance of wrinkles. 3. Flaxseed oil may tame psoriasis symptoms. Psoriasis is a condition in which plaques or scales appear on the skin as a result of inflammation in the body. Omega-3 fatty acids, like those in flaxseed oil, may help improve the skin barrier function, which can help seal in moisture and keep irritants away. Studies have shown that omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids could help decrease the severity of psoriasis symptoms, though the doses of omega-3s and findings vary and are not conclusive. 4. Flaxseed oil might help with rosacea. There are a number of possible treatments for rosacea, which is a common skin condition that causes redness, visible blood vessels, and sometimes small, red, pus-filled bumps on your face. While there is no research to suggest that flaxseed oil can reduce rosacea symptoms, there are a number of anecdotal reports that claim, when applied topically, the oil can help reduce the appearance of the skin condition. Some preliminary studies suggest omega-3 fatty acids may increase the speed at which skin wounds heal, which could make flaxseed oil a helpful agent in treating conditions like rosacea, dermatitis, and psoriasis. Still, more research is needed to confirm the potential benefit. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 13 life-saving flax seeds health benefits, including skin, hair, and weight loss. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.